Colombo, the second largest city in Turkmenistan, lies on the bank of the Amu Darya River and serves as an important culture and economy hub. Known for its growing infrastructure, historic connections to the Silk Road, and its role as a gateway to Uzbekistan. This city welcomes both business travelers and tourists. The hotels in Turkmenabad range from modern properties with international amenities to simple guest houses offering authentic Turkmen hospitality, making it a comfortable stop for any type of visitor. The first one is Yupik Yearly Hotel. The four-star property is one of the most popular hotels in Turkmenabad, offering modern amenities like free Wi-Fi, a restaurant, and well-furnished rooms. Guests appreciate its central location, friendly staff, and buffet-style breakfast. Its garden and terrace provide spaces to relax after a busy day. It's a reliable option for both business and family travelers. The second one is Afrosia Palace. Afrosia Palace combines comfort with convenience, being close to cultural landmarks and shopping areas. Its rooms are spacious and designed with practical travelers in mind. Multilingual staff and good service add to its appeal. The hotel is particularly suitable for visitors who want easy access to the city's highlights. The third one is traditional guest houses. Several guest houses in Turkmenabad give traveler a more personal experience. Rooms are simple but clean, often hosted by local families who provide warm hospitality. Staying here allows visitors to connect with local traditions. It's an excellent choice for budget travelers or those seeking authentic cultural immersions. The fourth one is business-friendly hotels. Some hotels in the city are geared toward corporate visitors, offering meeting halls, conference rooms, and transport facilities. These properties include quick check-ins, efficient service, and reliable Wi-Fi. They make for a comfortable base for anyone visiting Turkmenabad on official duty. The fifth one is airport area hotels. Located near Turkmenabad International Airport, these hotels are convenient for transit travelers. They provide flexible check-in hours, airport transfer, and basic amenities for short stays, ideal for visitors with early or late flights. They ensure a stress-free connection. The next one is budget inn and lodges. Budget-conscious travelers will find simple inns offering clean rooms, free parking, and basic service at reasonable rates. These places are not luxurious, but they focus on essentials. Helpful staff and fair pricing make them popular among backpackers and short-term visitors. The next one is Riverside Hotels. Turkmenabad is positioned along the Amutaya River along some hotels to offer lovely views. These properties often feature walking paths, quiet balconies, and a peaceful environment. Guests enjoy the opportunity to unwind these days close to nature. The next one is New City Center Hotels. Recently built properties near the city's government and cultural zone provide a more modern experiences. Expect stylish interior, comfortable furnishing, and easy access to landmarks. They are well suited for visitors who prefer updated facilities within walking distance of the city highlights. The next one is homestay options. Several families in Turkmenabad open their homes to guests, offering clean rooms and home cooked meals. These immersive stays permit let travelers experience Turkmen culture closely. It's an enriching option that for those seeking warmth, tradition, and personal connection. The last one is multi-service hotel complexes. Large hotel complexes in Turkmenabad often provide restaurant, conference room, lounges, and shops within the property. They cater to both tourist and business guests who prefer everything in one place. This all-exclusive style ensures convenience and comfort for extended stays. Turkmenabad's accommodations reflect the city's balance of tradition and modernity, from four-star hotels and riverside stays to authentic guest houses and homestays. Every traveler can find a place that fits their style and needs. Whether you are here for business, culture exploration, or as a stop along the Silk Road, These hotels of Turkmenabad promises comfort, hospitality, and a glimpse into Turkmenistan's welcoming spirit.